let's show you how the writers work within Toolbox. And to do this, we're going to dive into the Freewriter.
And if you're wondering why it's called Freewriter, it's because it allows you to do whatever kind of writing you like.
From the main dashboard, click Write and select the Nelson Mandela character.
This is the world of Freewriter. Here, you have a full writing landscape.
You have access to all the sorts of formatting and font tools which you know from the writing platforms.
You can cut, paste, choose different typefaces, paste images, even zoom in on text.
Where Freewriter differs is in the additional features it opens for you as a writer.
The notebook allows you to keep a scratch pad for all your writing projects.
Create a notebook for each of your projects. Jot down ideas, drop in images, add facts, links to other information, even quotes.
Notebook stays with you wherever you are in Writer's Toolbox. Whenever you need those notes, whichever writer you are in, Notebook is there for you.
The Tools menu offers you a powerful selection of writing helps.
Using this interface, you can customize how you use Freewriter, from paragraph styles, to the sentence spinner, to a thesaurus, and more.
Hot Tips in the Tools menu opens a deeper world of writing tips.
Here, you will find stylistic tips from professional writers, showing you how to do everything from write more clearly, to crafting a title, or the rules for using dates and numbers.
There are language features explained, such as metaphor, alliteration, or simile, and each with easy-to-follow examples.
There is even guidance on how to reference your work and how to use dialogue.
The sentence and paragraph tools offer their own wealth of information.
Both offer full video support, with informative clips telling you how to write that particular style of sentence or type of paragraph.
There are examples of the sentence style you have chosen to write, all from published authors, matched to your age and ability.
And the easy-to-use grid menu allows you to toggle between your favorite sentence style or paragraph type.
As you compose your piece in Freewriter, built-in artificial intelligence will give you immediate feedback on what you're doing well and ways that you can improve your writing quality even further.
And the great thing about Freewriter? If you get halfway through your masterpiece and decide you want to do some brainstorming or craft a plan, you can.
Adding them at any stage to your creative process.
And like all your projects on Writer's Toolbox, everything you write is automatically saved in Work, with your most recent writing easily accessible.